This video I'll show you how to pair the ETX Remote to eTrans50s in order to activate the relays. You can set this up in one of two ways. You can either have the ETX to activate all 50s or individual. I will show you how to do it individually and then demonstrate at the end how to do it all at once. To code, take the ETX Remote and press code on the 50 and press and hold on button 1. Once that flashes, that will indicate that it's paired. Press code to turn off. Once you now press 1, you will see that this one's now activated. Repeat the process for the second 50. Turn on code. Press and hold 2. You will see this flash. Code again to turn off the radio. Once you press 2, this will activate the relay. If you want them all to activate under the 1, follow the same process, but hold 1 for each time that you're pairing them.